Here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Doesn't look a lot there, but I'll go in a bit closer. These are mostly, there'll be some pieces that haven't got much colour in it, but there's other pieces here that need to be opened up with, because they're pieces of seam material. From the outside, that's all you can see. Just for some of these. Like this one's got very nice gem colour. Yeah. How far it goes back, it's hard to tell. It's probably a little stone, that sort of shape, triangle. Other pieces like this, matrix, almost matrix sort of material. I think with this you won't know what you end up with until you've worked your way through it. Don't dismiss just because it's a very thin line there. Just like that. Could end up a nice little stone poking out that side there. Brilliant bar of colour there. A lot of these look like nothing until you turn them over. That's a generalisation though. Anyway, I think you've got a right idea of what you're looking at. I think there'll be a lot of, should hopefully be a few surprises amongst that for you. There's a little rub there that's anyway, it's part of the deal. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.